Hello, my name is Colin and I am the co-principal of the London Symphony Orchestra, and I also teach at the Guildhall School of Music in London. Today I thought I'd speak a bit and demonstrate some of the excerpts from Mahler's Ninth Symphony, and I hope that you enjoy what I have to say and what I have to help with this style of the playing. Like most of Mahler's symphonies, his Ninth Symphony utilises a huge orchestra, and it's an epic work and a very emotionally draining work and a masterpiece really. Mahler was very superstitious about Ninth Symphonies, and both Beethoven and Schubert died after writing their Ninth Symphonies, and Bruckner died whilst writing his own. So as soon as Mahler finished his Ninth Symphony, he immediately began working on his 10th Symphony, but sadly he never completed it as he died several months later. The first excerpt that I am going to play is from the first movement, marked Andante con modo, which is moderately slow, comfortable, walking pace. The mood of the movement starts in a peaceful, loving manner and gathers momentum up to where the first excerpt that I'm going to play, which starts at figure 9 or bar number 174. The marking at this point is allegro risoluto, which is fast, bold and strong. It's fully orchestrated at this point. It's quite full, with Mahler using the whole orchestra and no one section particularly dominating, and the bass part is part of the general mix. Okay, now, as you can hear, it's quite, none of the notes are sustained very much. They're quite clipped to get the clarity, and the rhythm changes, dotted quaver, dotted semiquavers, and a triplet fill. It then carries on where there's several pizzicatos, and from pizz to, I'll demonstrate orchestral pizz really. The first one of this particular excerpt is a loud fortissimo D natural, and the idea of a good orchestral pizz is to play when it's loud as close to the left hand as possible, rather than an open string or just too low down. So you want to try and damp the note with the left hand as well.